Today we're gonna cook 黄焖鸡, beer-braised chicken with vegetables. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Chicken, potatoes, jalapeno, and carrot. Next is the seasonings. Soy sauce, garlic salt, chicken bouillon, and Chinese cooking wine, dry pepper, anise, sugars, and most important, beer. First, we're gonna season the chicken. A little bit soy sauce, garlic salt, and leave it there. We're gonna prepare the vegetables. Let's cut the vegetables into almost same size as the chicken. Now let's cook the chicken on the stove. Let's put the chicken in the pan. At the same time, we're gonna add some dry pepper and anise into it. And we can also add some more soy sauce to give it more color. And wait until the color change. It's time for the beer. Add some sugar. Let's move it to the pressure cooker. Okay, this is today's dish, beer-braised chicken with vegetables.
That's fire.
I'm glad you like it.